What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jack. So we're gonna go over Gala Games, sitting at 0.0455, up 1.4 on the day. Seeing market cap of 313 million, 24-hour volume 158 million. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're new to Bybit, up to 30K in bonuses, or Bitkit, up to 8K in bonuses. Check out my full link tutorials, email me or sign up email, and I'll give you completely free access to my Discord of over 2,000 members, posting chart patterns and talking all things crypto. So let's hop into Gala Games. So we followed our signal perfectly from yesterday's video, as well as posted in the Discord, of coming up in a wave 2 pullback in between 0.045 and 0.047 and looking for a rejection, and that's exactly what we've seen. So now we're looking to come down in a wave 3 with a technical target of 0.037. Personally, I'm very excited to see Gala under 4 cents. Now what we may be looking at here, the micro count, is that this is a wave 1, this is a wave 2 pullback, and you'd look to come down in a 3, 4, 5, which would take you down to that wave 3 target of about, let me move this up, 0.0377. I will go over the bullish scenario, even though I think it's less probable. Basically, that would be that you still haven't put in the final wave 5. I don't think it's very probable, but this would be a wave 2 pullback, and you would look to push up in a wave 3. For confirmation of that, you'd have to come up and start to break these highs at 0.049. I do not think that's probable, but I'll always show you both scenarios because anything can happen in the crypto space. But as of right now, we broke down from our wave 2 pullback zone as signaled yesterday when we were down here. Perfect bounce, and we've seen a rejection, so this may be a 1-2 looking to come down in that wave 3. Now if we zoom out a little bit here, sorry, this is not the right chart. Right, so here we are on the daily. As you can see, we pushed right back up into the 20. We got rejected, currently sitting on the 55 EMA. We've been talking about the bearish divergences and how the likely scenario would be that pullback. So as you can see, we have a nice A pullback and a B looking to come down in a C to take you into that wave 2 pullback zone, where I'll look to load the bags. Anything under 4 cents, I'll look to add to my position, as I've been mentioning. Before pushing up in a wave 3, I do think there's a high chance the bottom is in for the market. I could be wrong, but that's where I'll look to load the bags in the 3 cent range. If we go down to 2 cents, that would be incredible. And of course, the bullish scenario, just in case, wave 1, wave 2 pullback, all of this was a 3. You pull back into 4 and you'd push up into wave 5. Let's look at the maximum retracement for the wave 4. The max, let me get it right on the wick. Yeah, the max retracement's not until 0.037, so it's still on the table. But as I mentioned, I think it's a less probable scenario, and that's what we trade based off of, is probability. So currently we're in 2 short positions in the Discord that I gave signals for. Those are coming in at 10 USD per month. Everything else is completely free if you sign up to either Bitkit or Bybit. I do the majority of my trading on Bitkit. My full link tutorials are pinned in the description, as well as at the very end of the video. Over 2,000 members posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. 10 USD membership, early access to my analysis, signals, crypto news. The members like to post their profits in here. Mahalo all plays. Sign up to the Patreon link. Smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm. See you in the next video. Much love. Take care.